Okay, so we're gonna cover the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, Tether, Cardano, my favorite, and Dogecoin, and Polkadot as well, and Uniswap and Litecoin. Okay, and that makes the top 10 in CoinMarketCap. Okay, and that will be according to the market cap, I do believe. Okay. Okay, so ranking will be according to the market cap, ranking market cap. Yes, exactly. Okay. So please, if you do have any question, just leave it in the chat room, okay, or in the chat area. And the reason I wasn't able to do like analysis in the last couple of weeks or last week or so because we had a new baby boy. So all good, mom good, and baby's good. So thank you guys. So we can get back to work right now. We can start with the Bitcoin, okay? So as you can see in the chart right here, the Bitcoin, you guys know the story. It did hit all-time high here at the 64,000, okay? And I do believe we were looking to sell. Yeah, we have given indication of this one right here, previous one. It did break down or break out. You can see what happened right here, okay? And you can see at the top right here, I give a signal of a short. See that? See, this was a signal of a short at the top where it's a buy, yes, above 62. It did go slightly, 64 something. But I was more bearish in Bitcoin and it did fall quite a bit since that time. Okay. So that's why I bought short at the top right here because I was looking for actually a big correction in the Bitcoin. Okay, guys. Anyway, you can see last week it did, or during this week, it did have a big candle up, but it did fail to be supported above 55. Psychological numbers are very, very important. What does it mean is, look at this number, you're gonna buy 47,500, this number is the 50, 51, and it was right here also 50. So all this 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, you're gonna find them very, very important number. See, you can find this area where you have this cluster right here, okay? That's a very important area, support and demand and volume profile and everything. In order to be able to break this area, you need also to accumulate a lot of orders right here in this area, okay? So if we can see this price continue to go up and down here, up and down, up and down, up and down, then you would be expecting a big breakout to the upside, okay? But right now, what's going on? We did break again below the 20 moving average, which is this one right here, and we are sitting down again. So let me just remove, we want to remove this one, okay? What we are having right now, we did break below this one. I do believe this is correction, but there's no buy, there's no sell, right? This one is pointing down. So never take a buy when this one is pointing down like this. And that's for our time frame. So it's well-respected time frame, okay? So either this is a correction or a reversal. We don't know yet, but it's playing between this level, which is 51,500 and 55,500. The best way to do is to wait to make sure this area is taken and we are above this area right here, and we'll start thinking about taking a buy. You'll be in the safe side, I believe, in my opinion, doing this, actually going back 61 or even 65, okay? If someone was able to catch, I think I did a buy. I bought a buy right here. I don't know if it hit stop loss or just did go above it, but I bought a buy here last week. I said time to buy. We can check it later. So it did go up a little bit, but it's fallen back, okay? So the scenario right now, wait, okay, till it crosses the 55, 56, above the 55, 56. I do believe we can buy safely, okay? So we will be able to, take a buy or something. This is some of the previous ones. We put this one, and we've had a sell right here somewhere. Okay, we were looking for a buy from here, but it did break to the downside. Okay. Hussein 13, he can go sleep, but it may drop a little bit. It may drop for the next 5-6 hours a little bit. It may come back to test this level, okay? I do believe it may come back to test 51. I will not be in trading Bitcoin right now. It's not the best, okay, guys? So hopefully this is clear right now. We can jump to the next one, which is ETH. This has been doing good. Is making new highs. Okay, you can see has been sub. But right now, guys, I would not continue. If you're gonna buy, just move your stop loss, but don't go buy or sell right now. That's not a good area. Okay, the good buy was right there. Was this price? See this candle? This candle was good. Right now, don't buy it anymore. It may go in a correction wave. Okay, so I do believe this is gonna go at 5,000 at some time in the future. Okay, so this is a good investment, long term for sure. Long term investment, if you're buying for like a year or 2 years, just leave it. Don't close your position. Okay, but if you're just taking trades, closing them, day trade and stuff, you want to take some good signals like in the MACD shown right here. So this one was good. Take some profit and get out. Wait a correction, come back to the same level right there. See, guys, this one, it did come back to the same level. So this 21,450 did work as a very strong support. What does this mean? This most likely is going to continue to continue to rally. I don't think it's going to fall. Okay, I think this is just going to dip a little bit right here. Okay, test this broken support, turn to be resistance, hopefully. Then I think this is going to continue going up. So the next move is possibly one small down, then bang up. And the eyes are going to be first in the 2,750 because it's a psychological number. Okay. And the second one is going to be the 3,000. Okay, guys. So keep the eye on these ones. Don't wait for 3,000. Try to take your profit at 2,900. Okay. Right now we are 2037, so very close to 2050. The second one will be the 3000 level. Okay, you guys. So that's something to keep the eye on. We can publish this one also. Okay, so we're done with this one. Okay, the next one will be BNB. This is doing very good. I do believe is making higher highs here and just it didn't break the previous high at 640. But just I believe it's a matter of time before it does break and go to 800. Okay, this will gonna continue to go because if you're in the Binance platform, you probably want to stock some BNB to make sure you have a lower rate and stuff. So this currency is gonna continue just to go up. Okay, and you can see just getting more momentum and momentum right there. So you can see this one, you can see that one, you can see just going continuously up. So if we will get a second wave to continue this, the same one like that one or this one, see right here when there was big one right here. Let's make it yellow so you can see it. Okay, and there was another one right here. You guys, this one, almost okay. So hopefully we can get another one. This one to continue up here. Okay, and taking the fib extension level. Just we can zoom a little bit. Level here to this level. These will be the levels to focus on right here. 679. The black color is not shown. We can make this white, the background. Oh, it's too much. And this run right there, okay, that will be the second level to watch out for. Can delete this one so it will not be. Okay, so the chart like this, and this is the take profit area. So this will be right here. We can just make a drop for the price right there, and another one right here. Okay, and we can say TP1. Sorry, that will be TP1 and TP2. Okay, it's probably good to keep it blue or something. Okay, guys. So if you're gonna buy in this one, I would leave it. Just this probably gonna continue going up. I just don't like the white background. Publish this one as well. Okay, guys. Okay, we're in XRP right now. But as long as we are above this level right here, let's make this a little bit highlight there. Okay, guys. Of course, we do have some levels here. We have to make sure. If I have a position, I would hold it. I can see in the MACD just pointing down a little bit, was having a correction signal right here. And also, if you look at the smaller time frame, there is ascending triangle right here, guys. If you can see this one in a smaller time frame, it's gonna look like ascending triangle. So I think this is gonna break to the upside, is pointing to the upside. So I'll be bullish in this one. Okay, then Tether was just gonna skip $150 billion market cap. Cardano is my favorite. It's a little bit down right now. $41 billion market cap. I know, I think one of the future currencies, big time. That's not bad. It did go really nice. It's not that beautiful. Not only the signal did go up, it did come almost to the same area and did make the correction. See that? And start going back up. Small correction like that. It's beautiful. Okay. This one, I think, it did sink a little bit with the Bitcoin going down. It did have one more down before it goes up. I'm bullish in Cardano. Okay, guys, what you can see clearly here is this area is holding very strong. The one level is holding very, very strong, which is mean there is a lot of support to the $1 here, which is a good news. Okay, guys. So we do have support at $1, which is very, very good. Okay. And we do have a resistance at 1.6 right there. Okay, we're right there. I do believe this is gonna continue to go up. Okay. And possibly what we can get is one wave like this at the top right here, above this one. So after we break above here, we'll be looking at the 2 level, okay? The next target. So you guys, you can see this very strongly right there. Once it was broken right here, okay, it was supported once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Briefly did break, but bounced so fast, okay, 6 times, 7 times, okay. So 7 times support was tested. This price was 1 time, almost 2 times, almost 3 times, okay, 4 times. Is not reaching yet, but what we expect here, it's gonna come here, and hopefully that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the 5th time. I'm not checking all the chart. Yeah, it's only 5 times. Okay, and that's 5 times right here. Okay, so we have 5 resistance against 7 support. I do believe this is gonna break and go up. Okay, so that's the next scenario we do have right here. So that's ADA USDT. Yeah, possibly Bitcoin. Yeah, possibly Bitcoin down a little bit. Okay. So we're done with Cardano. I will for sure hold Cardano for a long time, guys. Like if you do have $1,000, you don't need it just to throw it in the Cardano and they check it after 2, 3, 4 years. I do have good feelings for good optimistic, very optimistic about it. This right here is just a very nice correction, between up and down. So beautiful. He's holding the one ground very strongly. So that's to recommend that those people are not dumping their Cardano below one. Okay. So it means they're, one is very supported, very, very strongly supported. So that will support the price to go to two. Okay. Just to, you need to know this 1.6 is just actually the 1.5. See 1.5 exactly, because when people put their target, they don't put 1.58, they go 1.5. It's easier like this one. That's why psychological numbers are very important trading cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that's why I would recommend, don't wait to take your profit at 2, take it 1.9. See this one? Let's go back here. So I would see this price, I would not take it, I would take 1.9, a little bit lower, even 1.9 exactly, around there. Don't wait to 2 because it may bounce a little bit back before 2. Just the same thing happened right here. See, 1.47, 0.3 short of 5, 1.5. Okay, so keep dying, something like that. The next one is gonna be the Dogecoin. Here we go again, the Doge father. Hey guys, we're not gonna hear the end of it from Elon Musk, and that's bullish one. I do believe I put one right here, and I said buy again. As you can see, just continue going up. Okay, and I do believe we did have a previous one right there. It's not showing the arrow because I didn't put a signal. Anyway, that's supported really nice here above the 0.25. So this 0.25 is very strongly supporting right here, so which is good. Okay, the next target is gonna be 0.65. Okay, I do believe the next target is gonna be 0.65, is not 0.05, guys. Because they try to take it to point. See, it's very short to point one. So 0.6 right here. That's the second target. A little bit above, it's okay. But that's the second target right here. So this wave target, of course, that's target number one. Okay, so no doubt about this one. So you can just put some price labels right here. So that's already you have it. Okay, but it will not hurt to put another one. Okay, so that's the two targets, and let's put the signal right here. So, but to buy this, you need to invest. What does it mean? Don't buy and leverage and just leave it. Okay, so you need to invest because some of the guys, the holdings of 75% of this Dogecoin is with like 2-3 people, so they can take it back to almost nothing at any time. They can dump it. But if they want to hold it for longer term and just keep the prices, support the prices going slowly, and they just keep selling a little bit after a little bit, that would be very, very smart from them. And the price is going to benefit a lot from that. So they're not going to burn it all at once. Okay. So that's exactly what they want to do. It's very important to know how much retracement this did fall. So if we take the retracement level from here to there, it did make 78.6 retracements now. So maybe having something like a butterfly or something. Okay. Okay, if we do take this as an ABCD formation, guys, so from here to here to there, $1.618 right there. See, it's also landing at the 0.65 or so. So I can say this is going with the, it's very supported above this level right here. So it's very good. And also in the MACD, let's look at the MACD. See the MACD, what happened right here? That was the first rally. We did catch this one with a very strong signal, nice signal. It did have a small correction. It did have a try the ball try again but failed, and it's like bang. You see all the correction down. Then recently it did start to go up. We have put the signal for this one. Okay. Right now start coming down a little bit correction, but I believe this correction is not gonna bounce back strongly. It's just gonna be a small correction down here and something similar to this one. See this one on the left, something similar to this one. Okay, so I do believe this is gonna continue to the upside. So basically, we can take a copy of this one right there and we can publish it. Okay, more 0.65, then 0.95 later. Oh, I have posted this in the Telegram, our groups and stuff. So for the people who want to invest to buy it and just leave it, okay? And you can see these ones. No? The Doge's coin is stable because 70% of it is owned by certain people. So these people who are gonna make it stable or not stable. So keep the eye on this one. Okay. So we're done with the Doge coin. We look at the dot. Oh, beautiful. That's beautiful, guys. See that? That's nice to buy. Nice. Okay. So your stop loss is right there. We can shoot it with a buy signal right there. Okay. Right there. But you need stop loss below this one. But unfortunately, a little bit. Okay. Can put 1 euro right there. That's beautiful, guys. See that? When you see such a nice candle, we're gonna get up. It's either an institution buys or company buys. There is, and this is 12%, guys, for the week plus 7 days, and only for the day 8%, which is very good. Okay. You can see this signal right here was very good signal. So that's of course gonna be your targets highlighted right there already. Okay, we're done with this one. Then we have the Uniswap. It's minus 7% for the day, but 20% for the week. This probably, guys, if you have this against something like ETH, I would recommend to buy it. I sell it. See, it's coming down, but we're a little bit late. It's probably further down here. Okay, let's just leave it against USDT. Yeah, this is probably a good sell. I just want to see what happened right here. So this is a sell. I do believe this can come down correction a little bit. So I'm gonna put a sell for this one right here. Stop loss right there. And that's 2 level target, guys, okay? So if it comes here, take profit. So it can goes like $10 to $15 down correctionally, okay? So you have all these levels here, right here, okay? So you need to take profit at some of them. So I'm gonna put this one right there, and that's gonna be target one, and this one here. And from any area here, you see a price action to the upside, then buy it again, okay? So buy it again from any area right there, long position. So I'm gonna put long, and that just to give you an idea, that is a correction, not a reversal, and we do expect the price to bounce back after. So this signal is not put to give you exact number, either a stop loss or take profit or anything. Sometimes it does work really good, but just to give you an idea that we're looking for a buy after this sell. Okay, I hope this makes sense. The last one will be, and the Litecoin, guys, LTC is 2% for the 7 days and only 1% for the day, pricing at 258, and that makes it possibly is going to continue to the upside a little bit. Okay, so possibly we can see this to continue. So that's an A, B, C, and it's like bang. So we're looking for this to move up. Okay, guys, it's supported here by the MACD right there. The signal, beautiful signal, is right there breaking this. But right now, I can see those two candles giving me hope that we may continue to the upside. So I'm gonna be bullish in this one, long position right there. Okay, target in this area a little bit higher. Stop loss would be preferred below here. This is a little bit high. Okay, and publish this one. I do recommend, guys, don't trade cryptocurrencies in margin. Just take it easy, invest in the cheap ones, and buy them and leave them. You have a bigger potential than actually going in something like the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is not really the best for trading, to be honest with you. The chance that Bitcoin is gonna double is very less compared to something like Cardano or XRP or even ETH. So all the lower but what I mean by low is like $1 to $10. Okay, when you buy something $1 to $10, the price is still low compared to something 50K or something. Okay. And that benefit for you guys, and you did enjoy this quick crypto top 10 analysis. Thank you for joining today, and you guys have yourself a great day, and see you guys later. Okay. We do trading courses. If someone is interested in the trading course, so please contact me, send me a message. Okay. Thank you guys, and have a great day.